Please, can you read this question, Sparsh?
A steel rod of dimensions 4 into 4 centimeter square is tightly fixed between two supports and is not allowed to expand. It is heated through 2 degrees Celsius. Thermal stress developed is
So area is given as 4 into 4 centimeter square. So if I want to convert into SI units, can I write 16 centimeter square means can I write 10 power minus 4 meter square? Please confirm. Yes.
yes, sir.
Yes. Next, what they told, it is a fixed between two rigid supports are not allowed to expand. In last class, I have given the information related to this one. When it is fixed between two ends, rigid rods, it will experience thermal stress. So that what happened here, fixed between two rigid supports are not allowed to expand and it is heated through temperature difference is 2 degrees centigrade. And they have mentioned, they are asking us to find what is thermal stress. Thermal stress. So they mentioned the value of y as 20 into 10 power 10 Newton and alpha value Newton per meter square. Y means it's Young's modulus. And alpha value they provided it as 18 into 10 power minus 6 per degree centigrade. So this is the information what they provided to us, alpha value, y value, and finally delta theta and everything they mentioned. They're asking thermal stress. In our last class interaction, I have given this information to you. There are two terms, thermal force and thermal stress. Thermal force is Ya alpha delta theta. This is the thermal force. And in thermal stress means I have given you that F by A, Y alpha delta theta. I told one more important points to you. If you remember in last class, this is thermal force is independent on length. Thermal force is independent on length. Thermal stress is independent on length and area also. Length and area both. In last class we discussed about this. Now anyhow, they're asking about thermal stress. As they're asking about thermal stress here, I want Y alpha delta theta. They have given the information about that is F by A is thermal stress and they have given information about area. But this area information is not required because my formula for thermal stress is Y alpha delta theta alone. So 20 into 10 power 10 and alpha is 18 into 10 power minus what they call 6 and temperature difference if you observe it is nothing but 2. So from this information what should I write here? 20 into 10 power 10, 18 to 36, 36 to 72. So 72 into 10 power 11 minus 6. 11 minus 6 means how much will get beta here? 10 power 5. So I got some 72 into 10 power 5 I got and it is stress means Newton per meter square. Okay, but we have to check options. In options, they asked us to find in 10 power 6 Newton per meter square. So answer they want in terms of 10 power 6 Newton per meter square. Beta, whenever you are doing the physics problem, first you have to observe options and what they are asking the in units. Options, especially units of the options, is very important in solving physics problems. There only will be losing the marks. So let us check it out. Now, here what should I write? This one I can write it as now 7.2 into 10 power 6 Newton per meter square. Already they mentioned this one. So my answer must be 7.2. 72 into 10 power 5 is correct. No doubt. The problem is here. What you are telling, sir, 72 into 10 power 5 is correct. No, sir. Yes. 72 into 10 power 5 is correct. But according to the given information, we can't write as 72. I have taken it as 7.2. Is it clear for all the kids in the class? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So yeah, these type of problems are having that is good importance in these exams. And one more thing I want to show you, very simple problem, but a small logic is there. Very simple logic, also not complicated anything. Just let us check how the things are done in this way. See, one more question I'm showing you now. See this question. Yes, Srilasya, please read it.
Ratio of the lengths of an iron rod and an aluminum rod for which the difference in this length is independent of temperature.
So iron rod and aluminum rod ratio of the length they're asking. And they told difference in the length is independent on temperature. Delta L, difference in length means delta L is independent on temperature. They does not depend on temperature. That is the information they mentioned. So the delta, that means that does not depend on temperature difference. And coefficient of linear expansion of iron, alpha of iron and aluminum, they gave the values. Alpha, first iron value 12 into 10 power minus 6 per degree C. Next 24 into 10 power minus 6 is aluminum alpha value. So this is the information provided in the question number 16. What they're asking here is, here they are telling that delta L is equal to, I know it as L alpha delta theta. So they are telling that it does not, delta L is independent on temperature. When delta L is independent on temperature means these are not affected, then simply I can write L alpha is constant. As L alpha is constant here, I can write L iron, alpha iron, L aluminum and alpha aluminum is this ratio. That means L alpha is constant means I can write L iron into alpha iron is equal to L aluminum into alpha aluminum. So what is my requirement? If I observe, according to my requirement, I need to find L iron to L aluminum. So that from the above equation, alpha aluminum by alpha iron. What is alpha aluminum? Alpha of aluminum 24 into 10 power minus 6 sir, and this is 12 into 10 power minus 6 sir. So simply can I write it as 2? So answer is 2:1. Is it clear for all the kids? So what is the important point here, sir? Question we got in very simple way, no big calculation, nothing. We are very happy. Answer we got in simple way without big calculations. Yes, but this point, how to handle, what this point information gives to you and how to connect the problem, you have to know. Delta L is independent on temperature means we can take delta L and temperature is same. L alpha is constant. L1 alpha 1 is equal to L2 alpha 2. From that you have to solve the problem. I hope all the kids are clear till here. Is it clear, Sparsh, Shraddha, Sujna, Srilasya, Tanish,
Yes, sir.
Pranit?
Yes, sir.
Yes.